Can you give some examples of what you would do when faced with an unplanned eating out event? I'm thinking a spur of the moment situation when I'm not in charge of picking the restaurant and I don't really know what's on the menu or don't have time to study up on what I can order and stay within my calorie goals. Are there any tips and tricks you have for the situation? Absolutely. So, just want to remind you there is a video about strategic ordering when you go out to restaurants. You guys might want to check that out. So, if you're in that odd situation, you're visiting somebody, they go, "Hey, I'm taking you out to dinner." You have no clue about the restaurant. You've got no clue on what's going to be offered. You're completely in the dark. First thing I would do is just glance at the menu. And if you see meat of any kind and you're not a vegetarian, if you see fish or grilled chicken sandwich or anything, I would say if this was a day that I really was trying to focus on my goals and it wasn't an indulgent dinner, like wasn't something I was planning on doing like an anniversary or birthday or special date out with my hubby or something like that, I would say, "Hey, I see you guys have a grilled chicken sandwich. Could I get the grilled chicken? And then could I would just say, could I get a side salad with that? Could I get some steamed veggies?" So I call it strategic ordering where you don't obsess what's on the menu, you just tell them what you want and they will bring it. So imagine the back of a restaurant is a huge opportunity of all these foods, right? They've got salmon in this container and chicken in this container and buns over here and condiments and this. And they're kind of used to doing assembly line, right? They sell this one sandwich, they slap it all together, but they've got all the ingredients separated out. So at no point is it outside of the potentially possible that they could take a piece of grilled chicken, throw it on the plate instead of the bun with the bacon and the special ranch dressing and all that stuff. And then they could get you a bunch of leafy greens, throw it on the side, and some other kind of a cooked vegetable, right? Or baked potato. That to me is the simplest and most easy way to do it. I personally, this is just me speaking for myself here, I really loathe having to look over a menu and get over burned out with thinking about, okay, I'm gonna take this from this meal, that from that meal, and this from this, and I'm gonna see if they'll put that together for me. Or what if I leave this ingredient off of this and take the, it's like I feel like I'm playing this like big game where I'm trying, I'm trying, I'm trying to create something out of what I'm seeing on the menu. And it's like the menu is very limiting. So I prefer people not to even really look at the menu. So if it's a place that you can look around and see, hey, they've got some kind of grilled chicken there, looks like they got some kind of fish over there. Great. I don't even need to see the menu. Could I get a piece of that grilled chicken over there that I just saw that person with? And can I get a side of vegetables and a baked potato? Boom, I'm done. I don't have to look at the menu. I don't have to have overthink the process. Keep it very strategic, very straightforward. If it's a place that does not have some kind of a grilled meat, or something that would work for you. Say it's a pizza parlor. Again, I very seldom ever see a pizza place that doesn't have some kind of soup or have some kind of salad. And so in that mode, what I would simply do is I would say, okay, I'm going to have some pizza. I'm going to have one or two slices, and I'm going to have a huge side salad and fill up half of my plate with veggies. So you really can make anything work if you're in the right mindset. If you're in the mindset of, "Ooh, someone invited me out for dinner," and I used to be in this mindset, by the way. Anytime I ate out, it was a pleasure experience. It was as if I was going out for my 50th wedding anniversary. It was order whatever you want, eat as much of it as you want because you don't know when you're gonna eat out again. What I've learned is that thought process around eating out was what was destructive. It wasn't as really much the eating out as it was my thought about how to handle the eating out. So ordering the burger and fries today, oh, somebody invited me out tomorrow. Great. I'll have pizza and I'll have garlic butter knots because hey, I'm at the Italian restaurant. Of course I have to have it. There was never any strategic ordering according to my goals. So the biggest thing is when you're going into that environment before you ever step foot in the restaurant, ask yourself, what's my goal? Is my goal that tonight is a big celebratory meal and I'm going to order something I'm really going to enjoy? And I know that this isn't working toward my goals. That's cool. I'm making that decision. Or, oh, I had an impromptu invite dinner date with somebody that we didn't really plan on. I really do want to work on my goals, but I can strategically order in this situation and come out fairly unscathed, right? It's making that decision before you go in. Then based on that decision, ordering according to that, okay?